Okay. Hey guys, this is my third retake because of this buddy. So, I already do 3 retakes. I'm going to call the other 2 Mishaps on Dog World. And I'm going to call this Dog World. So, yeah. Hey, Bella. This is Hero. That's Bella. Just so you remember. Face the camera. Hero. Face the camera. Face the camera. Face it, face it, face it. Face the camera. Face it, face it, face it. Face the camera. Buddy. Oh, they're liking themselves. Meh. 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 Hero. So this is Hero. He's a shepherd. Greg, what is Bella? What? And this is a Chihuahua. This is what a Chihuahua looks like. Hero is a German shepherd, and that's my dad. Say hi to the camera, Dad. Thanks. So this is my first time recording on my phone. And it's super fun, and it has better, it's better than my iPad. So, she will poopy. She will blow a baby. I don't know why I called them that. Just don't think too much of it. So today, this is my dad. We're visiting. Dad stays here because of my mom. Mom kicked my dad out. Anyway, this is Greg. My phone keeps slipping out of my hands because I'm so overwhelmed by the wheel puppy. No, not puppies. I wonder how old this big guy is. That was probably like a year old or something. Let's follow the dogs. Hero. Bella. I'm filming.
You're filming. I see that.
He does YouTube. And this is why I love dogs. I make vids. Let's follow the mystic creatures called dogs. Yeah. This is a dog butt. This video is called Dog World. I hope you like it. Bye-bye. And goodbye, adios. Let's look at the dogs one last time before we end the vid. So, this is the end of the video. Thank you, says Bella. And Hero says, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, adios. Till next time, fans. Woo!